CyberpowerPC Gamers Xtreme VR GXiVR8060A7 Gaming PC Review 2019. System: Intel Core i5-9400 f2.9 GHz 6-core Intel B360 chips at 8GB DDR4 120GB SSD 1TB HDD Genuine Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1666GB Video Card 1x HDMI 1x DisplayPort. Connectivity: 6x USB 3.12x USB 2.01x RJ45 Network Ethernet 10100s 1800 2.11 AC Wi-Fi Audio 7.1 Channel Gaming Keyboard and Mouse. Special feature: Window Side Case Panel Custom RGB Case Lighting RGB 7 Colors Gaming Mouse. Warranty: 1-year parts and labor warranty, free lifetime tech support. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.